scenes of last night through my head. I found myself in your home, said hello, put my name in your phone. Lost my friends. I first date walked to Pier 66. My lips, your lips, my heart beating right out my chest. When I held you, I had something that I knew I need so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Your love so bad. Your love so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So I talk later on in the video, but I just wanted to pop in here and let you all know what the heck I'm doing. So this morning I made a coffee because I was really sleepy. Now I'm going to spend some time with my babies. So they have the biggest room in the house, and I have these really comfy mats that I lay on the ground, and I set up a little area for us to snuggle and bond. I will watch Netflix while I do this, and they just like to snuggle and play while I'm on the floor with them. It's a really good way for me to spend time with them and be able to bond with them often. After I spent a couple of hours with my babies, I then move on to the next part of my house, and I did a little bit of cleaning up because my house is getting a little messy. And then I put on some makeup. My camera is on red. So I'm going to charge my camera for a little bit, and honestly today is just a chore day. Like, I need to take the trash out, I need to clean a little bit, I need to run some errands, I need some food. I will bring you along with me. Today's makeup is Korean inspired. I did some type of eyeliner that is supposed to make the eyes pop. So let me know if my eyes are popping at the moment. This is my outfit for today. I just have a crop top hoodie on with these really cute yoga pants that are one of my favorite pairs ever because they're just stretchy and comfy for running errands and cleaning. As soon as I get at her level, she comes dashing towards the camera and always almost hits her head. Little turd. So I've actually been researching, you can see my Cinnamon Toast Crunch box. Anyway, I've been trying to research ways that I can do like zero waste because our environment is being destroyed, Earth is being destroyed, and I don't want to be a part of it. So I'm trying to find ways that I can help as much as possible because I want to save our Earth. Now I'm going to get lunch. I'm going to Chick-fil-A to get lunch for me and my little brother. If you have seen my little brother in my past videos, his name is Lawson, and he has his own YouTube, which I will link in the card up here, and I will link it down below. It's called It's the Law, because his name is Lawson. He is a gaming YouTuber. Also, I'm a gaming YouTuber. I haven't posted any videos yet, but I have a channel that I will link. It's my really good friend's channel. We play a lot of Minecraft, and we are always playing. I'm in almost every video that they post, and I will be uploading on that channel too soon. So if you're interested in Minecraft gaming, then click on the channel above. Woo! Feeling good, walk around the neighborhood, never stressed.
Wide awake, smiling still in my bed. The running scenes of last night through my head.
After I ate lunch with my brother, I went back home and did some planning for YouTube as well as doing some journaling. And then after that, I decided to clean a lot more because I still had some dirty dishes and stuff that needed to be done. So I picked up some things here and there.
When I held you, I had something that I knew I need so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad.
after that, I sat down to do some work-related things. I replied to emails and replied to a lot of your comments and put hearts on all of your comments. After work stuff, I switched to my free time and got onto Minecraft with my friends. It's something I do every night and I just love playing Minecraft. It's so relaxing and it's always fun to play with all of my friends.
I need so bad, yeah, I need your love so bad.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
Oh, they're all waiting. Whoa, 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 whoa! What did I do? What?
Ouch.
No, I know
watched it.
exactly
I watched
where he is.
Oh, this is too good. I never die. I never die. Homie, you died like 15 times today.